Here is how to fix Steam games that won't launch. So first, you need to verify the integrity of the game files. Open Steam and go to the game that isn't launching. Right-click on the game, go to Properties, and here you click on Verify Integrity of the game files. Wait for the process to complete and check if the issue is resolved. You can also clear the Steam download cache. For that, you need to go ahead and select Steam in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Now go to the Downloads tab, which is between Library and Storage. Click on Clear Download Cache. Scroll down and select Clear Download Cache and tap on Clear Cache. Tap on Confirm, and your Steam will close and restart, and your downloads should now resume. This often fixes the problem. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.